While we were preparing for my uncle's funeral in Kondo, India. Yo, just a quick update. As shared with the previous I also checked my big cravings to this the bed. I need to buy. But Zamali skete. Awu JFS music sawubona unjani? Unjani? Awu Blikas sawubona unjani Nkosi yami? How are you, Blikas? Thank you. Thank you, Witten. I love you. My first gift of the day. How are you? Kutso, how are you? 2 liters sawubona unjani? Guys, can you all tap? Thank you for joining my live and thank you for tapping the screen. Blikas Ukraine Pozayama, are you good? Are you good, my brother? That's my first I love you of the day. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Oh, Blikas, thank you for the heart me and thank you for joining my team. Welcome to my team, Blikas. Guys, let's all welcome Blikas. Kukrend number yazini kuningi. Khona kuningi kodwa kukrend miyalo sawubona unjani? Kuningi shem Nkosi yami kuningi. Athi ngivula umnyango kancane. Ngivula umnyango kancane kuningi. Ntshebe sawubona unjani? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Yo. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live, guys. Guys, can you all tap? So can I tap the screen and sharing live? Thank you, Blikas, for tapping and sharing. Cause guys, so can I tap the screen sharing? Nick Rand, what? On a Monday. Session, how are you? Oh, Monday, cause I'm so lazy Monday. But Zana Marena. Oh, Zana Marena. Oh, Zana Mar. Hey, Blikas, Monday, cause I'm Vusi Njaya. Angisakwazi Vusi Njaya yo. Angisakwazi. Yangihleka Blikas. Yo. Hi Monday yona serious bafowethu yabona iMonday. Nyawabona wonke ama days of the week net iMonday. Yabo. Ama days of the week nyawabona net le ethi Monday le. Hayi le ethi Monday inzima. Angisakwazi uyanyamalala shem yo. Yanyamalala mavusano yanyamalala shem yo. Yanyamalala shem Nkosi yami yanyamalala. Winton, how are you? How are you? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. My team, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Winton, sawubona unjani bhuti wami? Unjani my brother? Letty my queen, how are you? Yo. Bukani ngijuluke njani guys emini yo ngiceda ungena nje ngidinwe. Angikhalela ifoko lethi sithanda sami right my queen. Clever, how are you? I'm not okay, Shem Winton. I'm not okay, in fact. Guys, can you all tap? Ngiyabonga Blikas Nkosi yami ngiyabonga bafo. I know. Ngiyazi vusa ukuthi hayi weekend vela amajita yabo. Ukuzikhiphanyana amabhiyanyana khona kuyafuneka just for ukupholisa umqondo yabo. Ukupholisa umqondo ukuthi ube right Nkosi yami. Hey kuningi Candy sawubona unjani? Injalo Blikas hey kuningi. Kuningi shem yo. Kuningi shem, kuningi. Kuningi. Guys, don't get a 7 screen. Guys, at least doesn't get any 3K. Yeah, very ndota, very clever mfethu. Yo ngibuye ekudeni kakhulu. Mvuke ekuseni. Mvuke ekuseni ngabo 27. Ngaphuma. Ngakhapha omunye umuntu sajika somewhere. Ngabuya mangibuya kufika oh my day is hectic. Koki, how are you? Mamurena yona ibhiya funeka mara sinamali. Mawunganamali ungaforce ukuphuza ibhiya. Ungaforce ukuphuza ibhiya. Ngihlala eMiddelburg eMpumalanga. NgiseMiddelburg eMpumalanga mphuma. Manzunza sawubona njani? Ngisempuma. Ngiright Koki inkosi yami, I'm okay shem. I'm okay. Guys, sonke na step screen sharing live. Macela basavele kani. Bangifake or ngizifake or njalo. What's happening? What's happening to Mama Cheles? Oh, hayi bangifaka manje iphelini. Bangifaka. Hayi kunyancenga Koki inkosi yami. Amncenga rini. Guys, sonke masidlala games guys. Sonke step screen share live siyancedisana as a team. Une-Rose, une-Donald. Thank you Vusi njaya. Guys, igift yokuqala siqala ngegift enkulu. Vusi uyakwazi wena. Clickers, I think you know now.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Sanibona njani?
How's it? Lucky yourself, Lucky. Michelle.
I'm good, Darren. How are you? Oh,
I'm good.
Macele, my sweetheart.
Wait, and then when I say Darren, you blame me. You guys look alike. I told you.
For sec.
For sec now.
What is serious? Fana no Darren. Serious, go to speak. Fana no Darren.
No. Eish. Michele.
Oh, Michelle.
Oh, Lord.
Have mercy.
Aga receive ngi call or ushawe network.
What up, Chad? What's wrong with you, Michelle?
Guys, can you please double tap? First gift is times 3.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, let's all give times 3.
Shit.
Guys, super.
Guys, first gift is times 3.
Laka, bro, can't complain. How's things going? Are you still in Pretoria side? I'm down in KZN now for the festive.
Guys, times 3.
Guys, don't get us step. Guys, first gift on the triples.
The doggos are welcome in.
Guys,
Thank you so much for all the likes. Nice.
Thank you, Njebele. Guys, if we have bonus mission, we play. Because even if we throw a donut, because what if they snap us on the other side? If we play the donuts on that times 3,
down on Friday, 11 days.
I touch.
Wait, from where, Manji?
Guys, we're gonna tap the screen. Guys, you are not tapping the screen. Guys, can you also?
Guys, we need 4 roses now.
Near mountain, Table Mountain, past Eastwood, past Panorama.
My people, we need 4 roses.
Let's go, guys. We need 4 roses if we can.
Surprise, hello.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
Guys, we need 4 roses, please.
But we can do our best.
Guys, 1 rose per person.
Our best, guys.
Guys, can you have 4 roses?
Zuzi, thank you so much, man, for putting us in the lead.
Guys, can we please have 4 roses? Thank you, Fortune. Guys, 3 more roses.
Guys, can you have roses?
I'm driving down on Friday and.
But
guys,
3 more. Away, laka, Maji. Not bad, like a rest, you know, in the birds. It's quiet this side, bro. Not much to do.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Mama Jabulo
tap and share if we can to 5 people and above. Share to 5 people and above.
Really? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Please, can you share for me? Can you share the live far and beyond? Far and beyond. Solo fellow.
Fortune, thank you.
Guys, can you all tap the screen?
Fortune, please resend me or heart me.
Guys, you are not even tapping the screen. Why?
Thank you for the likes, Mr. Chat. Zuzi, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming through for me. Mizzy.
Thank you, Fortune. Guys, it's still umuntu oyi-1. Siyi-2 thina. Angeke.
Guys, can you try to snipe this game together, guys? Let's try. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, you are not even tapping the screen. And that's why.
Noob to that. For you long time. Guys, please share. Share. Jean, welcome in.
Live.
Vele that's why ngawathanda ngoba I know ukuthi teamwork omunye uzophelelwa i-network bese kusala kunje. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you try to snipe this game, hle? Guys, let's all tap. Oh, thank you, Sonia, with the Rosie. Pauline Sawubona. Sonia ngiyabonga nge-Rose, my sweetheart. Bathi uzomondla nga. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you. Uzomondla nga. Hey. Thank you, Letinge Rose. Guys, can you try to snipe this game? We're only less than 30 seconds left. Ay, labantwana bayithanda lento. Thank you, Leti with them roses, Shem. Yazini, you are the best, Shem. Noma siyodliwa mara. It's fine. Bathi uzomondla nga.
I'm Shem sensizwa ngifortune, otherwise I'm doomed.
Thank you, Leti. Guys, can you try to snipe?
Guys, let's snipe that 84. Uzomondla nga.
Ngiyabonga guys for
Thank you so much, Susie. I appreciate every single one of you.
Thank you so much, Fortune. Thank you so much. Angisaboni ukuthi who else? Oh, Leti, Sonia, Ndebele, Cookie.
Eish.
Fortune is saying this is how they took the land.
Ukuthi umuntu omazi kuyahlupa. Yabo.
Guys, sengidlala ngedwa ke. Eish. Uhleli ngaphandle la.
Ngisendlini.
Guys, can we all please double tap the screen? First gift is ×2. Let's go, guys. Let's play.
Guys, first gift ×2. Guys, you're not even
tapping. My people, where's the energy? Like, I've got so many people here, but you.
Guys, can you try to work as a team? Guys, first gift on the doubles.
Freshland, thank you so much, ne? Pesiline. Ish, I keep saying Freshland.
But you. What? Am I lagging, guys?
Yeah, kancane.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi ngi-report.
Mauti Fortune. Guys, can you all share, please? Tulan Sawubona njalo, thank you for the phone.
Yo. ayizongikhipha-ke yo Ndebele, thank you so much.
My team Lydia, thank you Nkosi yami. Ngiyabonga Poloko, Lydia Poloko.
Uzomonda nga. Seka.
Ngiyabonga Poloko, how are you? Are you good? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. But tseka khona. Ayi laba bafana bayithanda lento. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share?
Room 9. What's up with you? Where are your people now?
Guys, can you all tap? Paulina Peps, thank you for sharing. Guys, let's all tap the screen.
Nawe.
Manje wena nga-75 sobuza abanye ngamo number 9. Bakusinayo.
Yebo. Ungayikhulumi yalo yamazi uphapha njani? Angafika ku-20 ngi-3 into ayiphaphayo lo. Ngiyangiyeka mina lakhe.
Yeah, guys, can you all tap? Guys, let's all tap. Guys, you are losing.
Lerato's problem. Guys, tell you Rosa.
10 Yama Rose, guys.
Igwe. Guys, can I please have 10 roses or 1 Rosa? A friendship necklace, guys. Anything.
Oh, thank you, Letty.
I need 10 of those roses, please.
Thank you, Letty. Thank you, Polo.
What up, Ricky? Thank you for the likes, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Polo.
How are you, my darling? Are you good? Guys, Rosa, Nyabo.
Thank you so much.
Fortune, my Nyabo. Thank you, Fortune. And this is times 3.
Guys, triples. Guys, let's try to go hard on the triples. Guys, times 3, my team. Let's go.
I'm good. I'm ready to cause problems,
Ricky,
but not now.
much,
okay.
Oh my goodness, Ricky.
Reading who's mad.
Guys, times 3.
Guys, let's go on the triples.
Guys,
thank you so much, Ricky. I appreciate you, my G. Thank you so much.
Guys, can you try to work as a team? Ooh, Polo.
Anabafana bangishaya.
Guys, can you try to work? Guys, don't forget to follow our MVPs, ne? Don't forget to follow our MVPs.
To me.
Guys, I must vutuza. Guys, can you try to work
so
as
much,
a team?
Ricky. I appreciate you, blood.
Thank you, Polo.
I got you.
All right,
thank you so much.
My problem, child. No problem. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, my G. Thank you so much. I appreciate
Guys,
it.
can you all guys, if we work as a team, we can win this. We can win this. And yabona njengoba siku 223. They will still snipers. Ngaba kusuwe Polo Nkosi yami we ngabe isono ngamshe.
Okay, problem child. No problem.
What's problem child saying?
He's coming that side to see you.
Ngabe kisono kana.
Let's go. Thank you so much, Ricky. MVP Rickster. Thank you, Ricky. Appreciate you. Wandile Christina Le Boutique.
Thank you, Poloko. Thank you, Letty. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us. Because I'm guys, we went together.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ndebele. TD, wait, my darling. Thank you, TD. Guys, thank you, everybody.
Timen, how are you? Thank you for the phone. Bathi uzomondla nga. Umuntu akakhanyisi ngisho nama rose ayikubi she. Guys, first gift on the trip. Guys, first gift times 3. Guys, igame mayiqala awuqali nge rose. Uqala guys, first gift times 3. Angehlale singawini. Noma igame unyane yi1 thingana ngeke. Guys, first gift on the trip. Guys, times 3 my team, times 3 my team, times 3 my team.
Thank you, Ndebele.
Guys, first gift on the times 3. Yo, times 3 my pelele moyeni vele mbone ngathi phelini. abafuni ukumbona ngisegemini busisa ubona njani guys time
wena ngikuve ngoba uthulile lapho bese uthi I'm going you're not going anywhere. Sibuda, thank you. Ngoba nje ngoba sewuyenta njalo I know you going to say I'm going Macels. I'll be here Macels.
I'm not feeling well.
Macels, I'm gonna go. I'm not feeling well.
Bonge, what up, Zion? How are you, sir?
Guys, you're not even tapping the screen. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live.
I see Sanda, Dream, welcome in, guys. Guys, 2 roses if we can.
Guys, can I have 2 roses to advance the speed?
If we can play 2 roses, we can play on speed and win the game.
Guys, 1 rose per person. Guys, can we have 2 roses? Guys, can we have 2 roses? 1 rose per person, guys. 2 roses.
Thank you so much, Sisanda. Trudy.
Guys, can I please have 2 roses?
Guys, can we have 2 roses?
Uhlangane coats.
Mina ngathi khipha computer box leya hambe uthengisa yona uthengele i-computer box. Thank you. Yes.
Inkinga ile abona macela bafuna ukuvusa imoto ngoDecember.
Noni, how are you?
Yeah.
Mshana, are you ready for tonight?
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? See, German Polo, how are you?
Mshana, are you ready for your tonight? Is your gift badge going to go back to being blue? It's gonna be insane, Maji. It's gonna be a crazy one. Guys, please double tap the screen. Share the live if you can.
Guys, let's
win. Let's win together. You're crazy. Where did you hear that, Mshana? I'm only on level 28. Where did you hear that?
My name is Katleho. I do buy vehicles from you.
Yeah, Gushe, how are you?
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys,
let's win this match. Let's win. Someone told me send diving whale for the name. Send
not even tapping the screen.
Where do I send the diving whale? Mshana, come watch the match tonight. You are gonna see fire, my man. British girl, welcome in. What's happening? Thank you so much, Kuke. Guys, we got a British person in the live. It's about to go down. At mom's panel at 2:30. Mshana, that's that. You're crazy, huh? I gotta say for her, Mshana. I got to, bro. I'm gonna be throwing down there. Mshana, I'm gonna be going crazy, my G. Today is gonna be crazy, my G.
Guys, let's all tap.
Thank you so much, Kushe. No level ups, Mshana, you know how much it is to level up from this level to 29? Hey, Baba. No leveling up today. This is gift to you, good. This is gift to you, good. Thank you so much. Maji, I appreciate it, Kushe. I appreciate it.
Thank you guys for tapping the screen because I'm not saying first and thank you.
Thank you so much, Kushe. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Christina, Ushana, thank you guys for being here. Sisanda, thank you. Guys, we win. We just
guys, just leave time.
Okay,
guys, can you all
have a good one? I'll see you tonight, ne?
I'll
Let's utinate Mshana.
Guys,
We
first
pull up in
type.
numbers. We pull up in numbers. We pull up as goats.
Guys, first give Tony triples. Guys, can you all tap? You are not even tapping the screen.
Sharp, sharp. Stufuza, welcome in. Guys,
Guys,
times 3.
triples.
First gift is times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. Oof.
Guys,
Mshana.
can you all tap? Eric King, how are you?
Miss B.
Are you good? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, let's all tap. Guys, you are not even tapping the screen.
Thank you, Miss
Bathi
B.
usumondla nga. Seka veli ke. Guys, let's all tap the screen. and share the live.
Hey Joe, ishiye kuwe.
Shows like episode wa share na le phone.
Hey boy. Aku buy phela lapha le 52E. Yeah. Hayi man, hayi ngicabanga man.
E, welcome in. I'm running away. I'm not feeling okay.
Utsagiwe. How? Not feeling well where?
In my throat, no, and my ears.
Your ears.
And my throat.
Wednesday.
Teasy.
Dr. Mish, welcome in. Kisa, welcome in. Thank you so much. Where's Zoe? Appreciate you, sir. Terrence, welcome in.
How are you, my love?
Terrence.
Nini computer box ngishuta ngayo vusa lo ngala ishoot uyakwazi ukuthi uzoshuta ngaleyo phone.
Kisa, thank you so much for the likes. I
Uyangibora.
appreciate it.
Ntombi yakho ithathele kudzeni.
They don't want me to run away. Thank you for the likes, Wesley. I appreciate it. Times 2,
Ufuna
50,
kujump startwa.
anything we throw is
Yebo,
doubles.
angithi intombi yakho ifuna kujump startwa. Ingajump startwanga
Thank you
ngeke.
so much. Kisa.
Are you still here? Yes, my love, I'm still here. What else can I do? Oh, I'm gonna go live.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and
Yay,
share the live.
please. Because this one now, because it doesn't have smoke now, he's busy saying, I'm going, my girls, I'm not feeling well. He started with this nonsense.
Thank you so much, Kisa.
Ufana nomuntu ongasena BA grooving.
You know him, yes. He had smoke now,
Angimazi.
smoking us all over here.
Angimazi.
Now he's like,
Ungathi you know him, angimazi Nkosi yami, angimazi.
no,
Uzongixabanisa
I'm talking to my sister in my comments.
AKA Junior, how are you? How are you? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, you are not even tapping the screen. Bathi uzomondla nga. Sekabe. Ncane sawubona unjani? Unjani bhuti wakhe?
Brenda.
Guys, don't can I step and screen sharing live? Oh,
Going live, please add me.
Ncane.
Okay, my love, no problem. Guys, I'm gonna add TZ after this.
Kisa, thank you so much.
Ncanezi Nkosi yami we.
Thank you,
Shaya.
Kisa. Who's there
Shaya
sniping us
Ncanezi
now?
Nkosi yami, ngiyabonga Ncanezi Nkosi yami. Thank you bhuti wakhe.
Miss Dibella, thank you so much. Ne? I
Ngiyaqala ukuthola
appreciate it.
ukufika ku-100. Sengidlala igame
Thank
S4.
you.
Ngiyaqala ukufika ku-100.
Guys, can I please add TZ, okay?
Yeah, why are you laughing,
Ngiyabonga
bro?
Ncanezi Nkosi yami, yazini kuningi. Wenzani maye?
I'm adding TZ.
Igame
Lose
ingakapheli
first.
uyahlanya kanje.
How sorry, guys, I didn't.
Uyahlanya kanje.
Kisa,
Uyadelela.
Guys, I thought this game was finished.
Uyahlanya wena.
Ish.
Awusakho seleka ngegaming. Uyahlanya. Tofuna ukhipha igaming akapheli.
Guys, sorry, now I didn't see.
Hayi. Yekela stress se-computer box. Thank you, Nganezi. Manhlapho sawubona njani. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen, guys. Thank you
I
for
was gonna
joining.
go to KZN and see Goat and Darren. Now I'm stuck in
Wait.
this hellhole.
Oh, thank you for the follow, Kisa. Thank you so much, ordinary human.
So why are you guys not accepting the?
Mrs. Debella. Hey.
Guys, can we all tap the screen and share the live, guys? Let's all tap. Bathi uso. Ma ungafaka lo mngane
Goat, please look for her as well. I can't see her yet.
Wena ungafaka umuntu osebenzisa ifoni yakhe.
Thank you. How?
Mrs. Stone. Hey, Cheryl.
Bekubhale mukhuzeng.
English.
Khuzeka.
Kuzegging who?
Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hey sis.
How you guys doing?
Oh, we are good.
We good, darling. We
It's
good.
Tiny.
Hey Ultimate, welcome in. So Goat was running away to where?
Oh, they don't want me to run.
Imagine.
Starting with his nonsense. My
Oh, you're also
I'm
telling
not
me to
feeling
sit.
well.
No, Mina, I heard that you were running away. I don't even have people.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
You
Guys,
won't
let's
have
keep on
people the whole day.
How? Even people to just have the food. My kids are coming.
They're
don't worry.
saving energy for tonight. Even the tapping, they're saving it.
Listen, let me show you how you get smoke. Now you must put this strap down like Makele does. This one. And then when you take this one off, you start getting galaxies.
I thought you were
What's
gone.
on
How are
your
you,
moon
Ultimate?
Nganezi? Because I'm good nini
Ngizokushaya
kuyisona.
wena, ngizokushaya.
How are you, Ultimate? How are you
What's
doing,
on
man?
your
Thank you so much. Cheryl!
Guys, if
Guys,
you're
let's
here,
go,
please
let's
double
go.
tap.
Thank you so much, Cheryl. Times 3.
Bengasangithathi serious la.
Woo,
Bekawunti into yokudlala.
Kisa!
Bekawunti into yokudlala.
Mrs.
Ngiyabonga
Dibele.
Thank you to everyone
Oh,
who tapped the screen.
Dibella. Mrs. Dibella.
Guys, ungakhohlwa ukufollow ama MVP wethu ne. Don't forget to follow our gifters.
Thank you so much, Cheryl.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Bathi uzomondla ngani?
Hey, they're gonna put a uni on your head.
Who's gonna put a union on whose head?
Novia.
Nganezi futhi Rose
Who's
Nkosi
gonna put
yami.
a union on my head?
Yeah.
Guys, let's all tap.
Osho,
I don't know.
are you sure?
I don't know, hey.
Guys, Rosalie one base vuleli speed.
Fine. He can put a union on my
Guys,
head.
can
That's
you
fine.
one rose guys to
Cheryl,
activate
thank you
the
so
speed?
much.
Hi guys, welcome in. Can we please get one rose?
Guys, can you have one rose to activate the speed?
Dizzy, did he say he's ready?
Oh, thank you, Nganezi. Activating a perfume, Nkosi
Thank you,
yami.
Ultimate.
Activating
he
the
didn't,
speed with the perfume.
he didn't say he was ready. He kept complaining about power-ups and stuff like that. But this was on Friday. I said to him, you've got the whole weekend to build gloves. Not my problem.
On.
Ngiyabonga Nganezi.
Maybe he's trolling you, don't you think?
Maybe, I don't know. I don't care, but I'm not paying attention to him. Thank you, Bermingas. Thank you for the heart me. I don't care about him. I'm just gonna focus on me and what I gotta
Guys,
do.
time 2.
Zandy, welcome in. Guys, times 2
Guys,
points.
times
Let's
2.
catch them. We need to catch 350, guys. We need to try catch 350. Oh my, we need to try catch 390.
Guys, double.
Cheryl, let's go. Let's go,
guys, Darren
Cheryl.
is
On the
coming.
times 2, guys.
What is coming, Nkosi
Cheryl,
yami?
thank you so much, Miss Pele.
Nganezi bafundisa sniper.
And that's how you
thank
get
you,
3.
Nganezi, them ice creams. Thank you. Guys, can
By
you try
putting
to
your
work
head
as
on
a
your
team?
your hand like that.
Thank you, Nganezi, Nkosi yami, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga,
Wena,
Nganezi.
Jay, welcome in.
Ngiyapapa wena.
Yeah, room number 6.
Guys, can you try to Shota ngigift eyi-1.
Fernando, guys, let's go. 10 seconds. 10
Anginanza
seconds
wena
on
mangaba
time.
room number. Hey Terminator. Anginanza okusala wena you are staying here until we raise 900. You're not going anywhere.
Cheryl, let's go, Cheryl.
I'm good. I can't complain.
You put us in the lead. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Terminator,
Let's
are you
go,
okay?
How you
Cheryl.
doing, my
Guys, can you try to
sis?
snipe?
Miss Pele, I appreciate you
Yeah,
so
boy,
much.
and
Thank you,
Zuti
thank you,
best.
thank you. As long as we're not on 9.
Johan, no. Why are you saying no, Johan?
Antivirus, welcome
As
in.
long as we
How
are
you
not
doing?
on 9. Nubian!
Ngithi mina okusalayo when you're not going anywhere.
What
You're
is
staying
room
with
Number
me
9
here
is
until we
14.
get money
They
for
moved
the
you from
computer
room number
box.
9 to room 14.
I don't care. I don't
Because you
care.
are too
I
noisy.
can't stay.
Welcome
I
in.
can't stay. Are you
Hey,
cooking
man,
for
how are
me?
you?
Johan, what do you mean?
What he means is what he means.
Thank you, Terminator. I don't care. It's okusalayo when you're not going anywhere. You're
Guys,
sitting
can you try
here.
to snipe this
Where
game?
my G? It's fine. I'll
Guys, can
sit
you try
here
to snipe this game?
like an idiot.
Yes, you will sit there.
Like an idiot.
Rashid, Darren. Are you pulling up to watch the match tonight, my G? It's gonna be crazy.
Abantu mabafuna ukutapha iscreen lakhe bazositapha uma bangafuni.
Rashid, thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate it, man.
No, Johan, you guys can leave if you want to. I mean a goat. That one will stay here with me. He's not going anywhere.
Oh, you see, even your people want to leave.
Well, you're
Guys,
welcome
can you
in.
try to
Thank
Come, Terminator, let's go, Bri. No. Bri what?
Thank you for the heart.
Thank you, Nanes. Thank you to everyone who was tapping. Nanes ngiyabonga. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us.
Cheryl!
Huh?
Miss Cheryl Pillay, thank you so much.
Terminator.
Christina, everybody who double tapped for me, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the gifts, Cheryl.
Thank you so much, guys.
Kissa,
Thank you,
Rashid,
Terminator.
Darren, Christina, Cinematic.
Thank you so
Thank you to
much.
each and
I
every
really
one of you guys.
appreciate it. Cuckoo,
Guys, have you noticed that
Thank you, guys.
Lorato's been looking different
we did.
nowadays? Guys, have you noticed? She looks like she's in a relationship, guys.
Hey!
Darren! Hey, Chummy, imagine the cold beer and steak.
No denying.
Ayo.
Jonathan's glowing with the musky man. Stop it. Stop it. Stop
How are
it.
you,
Stop
Chummy? Are you okay?
Guys, come to my side. Double tap. I'll tell you who it is.
it. No. Stop it.
Come
Guys,
double tap here, guys.
It's just my new ring light. That's all. Nothing else.
Guys, times three. New ring light, new hair. Let's see the nails.
You wanna play now? Guys,
The nails are
triples.
the same. The nails are the same.
Everything is done. The ring is still there.
Terminator! Thank you.
Cheryl!
It's Stone Cold. Yes, we know it's Stone Cold. No problem.
Thank you so much. Hey, when antivirus.
Darren, do you wanna play now?
Hey, when antivirus.
I can.
Goat, did you tell Darren?
About?
Darren, I can.
Stone Cold.
No.
So how did he know?
I don't know.
You guys are wrong. What is going on TikTok?
Ask him. Aibo. I don't know.
Guys, don't go overboard. Just, hey, okay. Thank you for the heart. We lift
Yebo,
up
yes.
the
Ayafuza when antivirus.
Goat!
Yes, Macele. Oh, Macele told him.
Can we?
Can we pretend to keep each other company?
Darren,
Yes.
Goat,
Yes, ma'am.
what she said.
Okay, listen, eh? Who told Darren?
I didn't. You guys can ask him because I didn't.
What happened?
Hayibo, ungazelaphi?
Kevin, he's not even online. Oh, he is. What happened? What's going on,
TikTok
Kanti?
just kicked him. I don't know.
It just kicked him.
Yo. Ahí store. Ahí storeless. Alright. Mama Zufugin. Oh, guys, can you all tell Putle?